Hello everyone and welcome to Nail Art channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you faded dots nail art design step by step guide. If you say abracadabra, the dots in the design will start to disappear. Well, they don't disappear, but they will sure look like it. The different size dot in this design trick the eye into seeing the dots fading or slowly disappearing from sight. The best part, you won't actually need magic to create these fantastic nails because they are just that easy. Let's move to our today's design. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a dark purple nail polish. Step number 2 is using a dotting tool and white nail polish. Create 3 large dots along the tip of the nail, leaving some space in between. Step number 4 is using the same dotting tool and nail polish. Create medium sized dots above the larger one. Step number 4 is using the same dotting tool and nail polish. Create small dots above the medium ones. Step number 5, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Start with a dry base color using your first dot color and the larger end of your dotting tool and 3 to 5 large dots at the tip of your nails. Make sure some of them go off the edges of the nail. Flip your daughter over to the smaller and add 4 to 5 small dots going down the nail. Concentrate them at the tip and make them more space out as you move down the nail. Clean your dotting tool off and repeat step 1 with your second dot color. Make sure to fill in spaces between your first round of dots. Overlapping is encouraged. Repeat step 2 with your second color, filling in any spaces that look imbalanced or empty. If you don't have dotting tools, you can order your dotting tool from amazon.com. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you have any query, please comment below. Thank you very much for watching my video.